Good day, everyone. My name is Kang Ying, and today I will be presenting on adapting education system to globalization, a cooperative study of Finland, Singapore, and Kenya. In this presentation, we will explore how each of these countries is adapting its education system to meet the challenges and opportunity brought about by globalization. To start, let's talk about the impact of globalization on education. Globalization has brought interconnectedness across country, economies, and culture. In education, this means that school must not only meet the local need of students, but also prepare them for global challenges such as climate change, technological advancement, and cultural diversity. This presentation will focus on how three countries, Finland, Singapore, and Kenya, are innovating their education system to meet these global demands. Now, let's dive into Finland education system. Finland is famous for its student-centered learning approach, which is a key innovation in its educational reform. The focus is on individualizing learning, where the pace and content are tailored to each student needs. Teachers in Finland are trusted to design flexible and personalized lessons, promoting creativity and critical thinking. This system emphasizes the holistic development of study, not just academic achievement. Finland model has become a global benchmark for how education system can adapt to prepare students for the complex world of globalization. Okay, here is a comparison chart to show the difference between Finland student-centered learning and traditional education. In Finland, the focus is on high engagement, creativity, critical thinking, and academic achievement. Traditional education often has lower student engagement and creativity, with a greater emphasis on academic results. This chart shows how Finland approach help foster skills that are crucial in globalized world. Moving on to Singapore, which has placed a strong emphasis on STEM education. This country integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into its curriculum to prepare students for the technological future. The system fosters innovation and problem solving, skill needed in a competitive global economy. Singapore has also developed strong link between school and industry, which allows students to gain real-world experience in this field. This STEM focus is part of Singapore's broader strategy to remain competitive in the global marketplace. This bar chart shows the participation rate in STEM subject over the years. As we can see, there has been a steady increase in student involvement in STEM field, with a notable rise in subjects like science and mathematics. This growth reflects Singapore's strategy push to develop a workforce skill in technology and innovation, essential for thriving in today's digital world. Next, we turn to Kenya. In response to the challenges of providing education in rural areas, Kenya has turned to mobile learning and or M-learning. This innovative approach uses mobile phone to deliver education content to students in remote areas. where traditional schooling infrastructure is lacking. Mobile learning help bridge the education gap and provide students in underserved communities with access to quality educational materials, which is crucial in a globalized world that increasingly relies on digital tools. Here is a pie chart showing the uses of mobile learning in both urban and rural areas of Kenya. As we can see, mobile learning is more widely used in rural areas where students face significant barrier to traditional education. This data highlight how mobile technology is making education more accessible in areas where traditional schooling may not reach, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to learn and success. Based on this case study, I would like to propose some strategy for educator and policy maker. First, it's important to adopt flexible curricula that allow students more autonomy, which is crucial for developing critical thinking and creativity. Second, educators should be provided with ongoing training in new technology to effectively integrate them into their classroom. Finally, fostering cross-cultural collaboration through international exchange program can help students develop a global perspective which is essential in today's interconnected world. In conclusion, globalization is driving educational reform across the world. Finland, Singapore, and Kenya each offer unique examples of how education systems are adapting to meet the demand of the globalized world. Finland student center approach, Singapore focus on STEM, and Kenya mobile learning ini- initiative highlight the importance of innovation in education. By focusing on both local needs and global challenges, these countries are preparing students for success in the globalized world of tomorrow. Thank you.